In this video, we have prepared a big list of the most protein-rich foods on the planet: vegan, vegetarian, and animal.
In the lower left corner, you also see the number of calories per 100 grams of each food.
But how much of certain foods should I eat to get daily required protein?
It depends on your weight, age, and goal. Whether you just follow healthy lifestyle, want to lose weight, or gain weight, or build muscle.
To avoid you all complicated calculations, the author of this channel, Dr. Benny, has created simple protein intake calculator. You can try it on our website. The link is in the description and pinned comment.
How do you think? Which proteins bring us more benefits, plant or animal? We will review the latest scientific updates about this in one of the following videos.
So subscribe and press the bell icon to stay updated.